Most people believe that to transform their bodies, they need a high-priced gym membership, hours of grueling cardio, or a complete lifestyle overhaul. But science is beginning to reveal a different story. A story where the most powerful tool for longevity is something you've been doing since you were a toddler: walking. But I'm not talking about a casual stroll to the fridge. I'm talking about a structured 30-minute daily commitment. What if I told you that this simple act triggers a biological cascade that affects everything from your DNA to your creative spark? In today's deep dive, we are going to break down exactly what happens inside your veins, your brain, and your cells when you walk for 30 minutes every single day for a month. We will explore why the 15-minute mark is a hormonal tipping point and how you can use this simple habit to potentially add years to your life. Welcome back to Gnome Du Canal, where we decode the science of you. Let's start at minute 1. The moment you step outside and pick up the pace, your body exits its sedentary state. Your heart rate begins to climb, moving from a resting average of 60 to 70 beats per minute to a steady 100 to 110. This isn't just about burning calories, it's about hydrodynamic pressure. As your blood flows faster, it pushes against the walls of your arteries. This pressure triggers the release of nitric oxide, a gas that causes your blood vessels to relax and expand. This is why walking is the most natural blood pressure medication on Earth. By minute 10, your body temperature rises and your sweat glands begin to activate. But internally, something more complex is happening. Your lungs are now processing significantly more oxygen, and your diaphragm is getting a workout. This increased oxygenation starts to reach the brain, clearing out the adenosine buildup that makes you feel groggy in the afternoon. You aren't just walking away from your desk, you are literally flushing your internal system with fresh oxygenated fuel. Now let's talk about the 15-minute mark. This is what scientists call the endorphin threshold. Up until this point, your body has been using readily available glucose for energy. But at 15 minutes, your endocrine system kicks into high gear. It starts releasing endorphins and enkephalins, your body's natural painkillers and mood lifters. But there is a hidden hero here: BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as high-quality fertilizer for your neurons. Studies from Stanford University have shown that walking increases creative output by an average of 60%. Why? Because the rhythmic movement of your legs syncs with your brain's theta waves, the same waves active during deep meditation or REM sleep. This is why your best ideas often come to you during a walk, not while staring at a screen. You are effectively opening a window in your mind and letting the light in. As you move into the second week of this habit, the changes move from temporary to structural. Your mitochondria, the power plants inside your cells, begin to undergo biogenesis. They are literally multiplying to keep up with the new demand for energy. This is why, paradoxically, the more you walk, the less tired you feel throughout the rest of the day. For those worried about blood sugar, pay attention. During week 2, your muscles become more insulin sensitive. They start pulling glucose out of your bloodstream, even without a massive insulin spike. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that a short walk after meals was significantly more effective at controlling blood sugar than one long bout of exercise. You are essentially teaching your body how to manage its fuel again. Your joints also begin to feel better because cartilage has no direct blood supply. It relies on joint movement to pump nutrients in and waste out. By day 14, you are literally lubricating your body from the inside out. By the time you reach the final 2 weeks, you are no longer trying to walk. Your nervous system has built a dedicated neural pathway for this habit. Your resting heart rate has likely dropped by 3 to 5 beats per minute, meaning your heart is becoming a more efficient pump. But the most profound change is in your cortisol profile. Chronic stress keeps our cortisol levels high, which leads to belly fat and systemic inflammation. Walking in nature or even just outdoors triggers the parasympathetic nervous system. By day 30, your body has lowered its baseline stress level. Your immune system is now more vigilant, with increased circulation of white blood cells. You'll find that you recover faster from minor illnesses and sleep more deeply at night. You haven't just lost a bit of weight or toned your legs, you have fundamentally altered your biological age. You have shifted from a state of decay to a state of regeneration. 30 days, 30 minutes. It sounds so simple, yet so few people actually do it. The question is, will you be the exception? Will you give your body the gift of movement today? If you're ready to start, type Day 1 in the comments below to commit. We want to hear about your progress. Don't forget to like this video if you value science-based health content, and subscribe to BodyLogic for more deep dives into the human machine. The path to a longer life starts with a single step. Take it now.